I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing your phone number on Cricket Wireless is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Cricket Wireless website and log into your account using your credentials. This will give you access to your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings option in the menu. This is where you can manage your phone number and other personal details. Step 3. Select change phone number. In account settings, find the option labeled change phone number. Click on it to begin the process of updating your number. Step 4. Choose your new number. You will be prompted to select a new phone number. You can either choose from available numbers or enter a specific one if you have a preference. Quick gotcha, make sure the number you choose is not currently in use by another account, as this can cause issues during the change. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before starting recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. That's it. You should now have your new phone number active on Cricket Wireless. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for assistance. Happy calling!